Best McDonald's hack ever. Order a Big Mac with no sauce. Add 1 packet of Texas Pete hot sauce. Add 1 packet of In-N-Out burger spread. Add 1 packet of Jack in the Box secret sauce. Add 1 packet of Panda Express chili sauce. Add 1 packet of Sbarro's garlic sauce. Add 1 packet of Auntie Anne's classic cheese dip. Add 1 packet of Carl's Jr. sweet and bold barbecue sauce. Add 1 packet of Wetzel's Pretzels pizza sauce. Add 1 packet of Wendy's Awesome sauce. Add 1 packet of Chick-fil-A sauce. Add 1 packet of Taco Bell hot sauce. Add 1 packet of Arby's horsey sauce. Optional. Add 1 packet of KFC sauce. Add 1 packet of Burger King sweet and sour sauce. Add 1 packet of Popeyes Cajun Sparkle. Add 1 packet of Smucker's grape jelly. Replace top bun. Memum. Follow me for more legendary fast food hacks.